We built the Solutionology Network for clients who don't have a strong solutionology approach and are trying to drive change, disrupting the industry.
The solutionology philosophy it's not about going to a specific endpoint. It's about navigating that journey to the best possible outcome. So it may not be injection molding or additive manufacturing. It may not even be a physical solution. It's the way that we explore the journey to find the right result for the problem that we're faced with.
Because our interest is not in selling services or goods, it's providing knowledge and helping the adoption of the digital mindset, driving transformational change.
Our ideal client is a company who's looking to digitally transform their operations or a segment of their business. You are an advocate within that organization, and you're looking for support on your journey.